Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make this beautiful pendant. It's really easy to make at home, so let's start it. First, you need to make the base with clay. To design the pendant over it, you always can make the base larger and smaller as you wish. Now make a hole for joining the threads later. I am going to make the design with homemade cold porcelain clay. Remember that you can always customize the design with that clay. I am going to make the flower. So I am making the petals now. So the design is ready. Now let it to dry at least for 24 hours. After drying fully, color it as you want. As I have told, I will color it with the 3 colors of our Indian flag. So I choose to color the petal orange. Now let the color to dry. I am using metallic gold acrylic to highlight the petal and leaves. You can highlight it after drying or left it as it is. So let's start the second one. I am making the base with homemade cold porcelain clay as usual. You can add more clay if you think the base is thin for your pendant. I am going to make the design now with my homemade cold porcelain clay. I am making peacock design. As I have said, you can always customize the design, always customize the color. So you can make another bird and use another color as your wish. If you want more content like this or want to see more work from me, let me know in my comment section. I will try to do them. And please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post my new work. So the design is ready now. Let it to dry at least for 24 hours. I am using blue, orange, green and white acrylic color to cover it, which is the colors of our Indian flag. You can use any color as you want. Now let the color to dry. After drying, you can use gold metallic acrylic color to highlight the pendant. I think it would look better because it will look little glossy after using it. Now attach the threads if you want to wear it. Of course you will want to wear it because I am sure you will make better with this tutorial. You can design the threads as you want. You can use another color of threads. Finally, these beautiful pendants are ready to wear. You can wear this in Independence Day as I have used the main colors of our Indian flag. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel to get more amazing videos, and if you want more content like this, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching.